Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best ceiling fan remote controls that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video! Starting at number 5, we have the Universal Ceiling Fan Remote Control Kit. The Universal Ceiling Fan Remote Control Kit is easy to install with only a 5-wire hookup, making your ceiling fan remote controllable. It has a universal fit, compatible with 95% of ceiling fan lights, including popular brands such as Hunter, Harbor Breeze, and Westinghouse. The remote includes separate buttons for 3 fan speeds and a wall cradle for handheld remote control. The good signal allows you to adjust the fan from another room or even downstairs. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Andric UC7225T remote control. The Andric remote control is a suitable replacement for Kensgrove 9-speed fans. This remote control is specifically designed for models such as YG493ABN Kensgrove 54N. Integrated LED brushed nickel ceiling fan, YE493AEB Kensgrove 54N. Integrated LED espresso bronze ceiling fan, YG493AWH Kensgrove 54N. Integrated LED white ceiling fan and YG493ODBN Kensgrove 72N. Integrated LED indoor-outdoor brushed nickel ceiling fan. With this remote control, you can easily control the speed and lighting of your ceiling fan. It provides convenience and flexibility, allowing you to adjust the fan settings without having to get up from your seat. The Andric remote control is a must-have accessory for Kensgrove fans, offering a seamless and effortless way to enhance your comfort and convenience. At number 3, we have the 53T Universal Ceiling Fan Wall Remote Control. The 53T fan remote offers universal compatibility, meaning you can use it with most ceiling fan brands like Hampton Bay, Hunter, and Home Decorators Collection. This makes it a versatile choice for many homes. It gives you easy control over your fan with 3 adjustable speeds, so you can set the airflow just right for your comfort. The remote also includes a light dimmer feature, allowing you to adjust the brightness to create the perfect atmosphere. Plus, with dip switch technology, syncing the remote to your fan is straightforward and hassle-free, ensuring smooth and reliable operation. At number 2, we have the UBORSY TX028CS Ceiling Fan Remote Control. The UBORSY Fan Remote TX028CS is designed specifically for Hampton Bay Home Decorators Collection ceiling fans using the 304 MHz system, so be sure your fan matches this system before buying. This remote allows you to easily adjust your fan's speed with 3 settings: high, medium, and low, giving you control over airflow to suit your comfort. It also lets you switch your fan's light on and off and dim it smoothly for the perfect lighting. Plus, you can change the light's color temperature to match your mood or activity, from soft white to brighter tones. Pairing the remote is simple with 3 different methods to match your fan's settings quickly. And finally, at number 1, we have the Onisamt Hunter Ceiling Fan Remote, 434 MHz. The Onisamt Hunter Fan Remote is designed to work specifically with Hunter ceiling fans operating at 434 MHz, giving you reliable control over your fan's speed and lighting. You can easily switch between 3 fan speeds and turn the fan off with dedicated buttons, making it simple to adjust the airflow to your comfort. The remote also lets you dim the light independently, so you can set the perfect ambiance. With a 60-foot range, you can control your fan from anywhere in the room without hassle. Pairing the remote is straightforward, using either the Learn button or a simple keypad combination, so you'll be up and running in no time. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.